Hello everyone, I'm Reverend Sharon Renee. I am the spiritual leader for Tyler Unity Center of Practical Christianity in Tyler, Texas. And today our talk is still following our theme of wisdom, and the topic today is living confidently. Now I'm going to spread that topic out over the week in little segments. And so here's the thing that's very interesting is that this is only my third Sunday, and I'm already doing it in a room by myself. So many ministers, when they first start, they have to kind of accept that some members won't like them or be open to them. So that's a normal thing. But on top of that, I had to help participate in the decision to close our doors for 2 weeks in order to help keep our members as healthy as possible. So talk about living confidently. I should be shaking in my boots because of these changes. And this is only my third Sunday here. But we are making a choice out of wisdom. We are choosing wisely to keep our congregants safe. And we're using an idea that, from my perspective, I've used an idea that everybody that we're come into contact with, they've at least come into contact with 7 others, and then that 7 expands, and that 7 expands. And so what we are doing with this confident living is we are going with the flow of non-resistance. And so what non-resistance means is that we are going to go with the situation as it is. Now, we are upholding our divine nature. We are upholding knowing that we are one with God. We are upholding knowing that we are safe. We are upholding knowing that God is our protector and that God is our center. However, we are also being very respectful of the people that we love in our community around us, so not to spread anything any further. We are being diligent and utilizing wisdom to help keep us on track. So how can you take non-resistance at this moment with this virus that is going around? How can you utilize non-resistance and still feel confident in your day-to-day choices? And again, it's applying wisdom, and it's applying practical applications, knowing things to, again, wash your hands, staying a distance away. But this gives you an opportunity, too, to check in with people you love. We have wonderful technology, so you can pick up the phone, you can call, you can chat with family that you haven't talked to in a little bit because you've been too busy and you've been on the run. You can get online and do some chats. You can do some web videos. So you can still connect with those that you love. And I'm using this as an opportunity to connect with you and to let you know that we are not stepping back out of fear, but we are embracing the situation as it is, and we are non-resistant to it, that we are allowing ourselves to still continue and while being diligent. And being diligent in the love and the care and the compassion of others, and wanting our members to be as whole and healthy as possible. And this does require confidence, and it does require confidence in our day-to-day choices. And it also will work best when we go in the flow of non-resistance. And one of the things I want to share about non-resistance is not about ignoring it, saying, well, it just doesn't exist, it's not in my world. Which, some of us don't acknowledge those kind of things, which is absolutely absolutely a positive way to live and to make choices. However, people that we may be coming in contact with may not uphold those same beliefs or those same principles, and it is out of love that we are flowing with this in a non-resistant way to help the health and the well-being of humanity as a whole. So join me as Unity of Tyler, Texas is doing to uphold love and to see the world as perfect and healed, and that God is there within us, and that we are non-resisting to the situation, and we are acting responsibly and appropriately. And more to come later this week, and thank you for being part of our community. Have a blessed day.